for question 5, so I'm hoping you're getting the hang of this. 2x squared goes in this box, 15 goes in the lower right-hand box. So the product of those is 30x squared. So what multiplies to 30 and adds to 13? Well, that's 10x and 3x. So we'll put a 10x into 3x. Standing over here, we can see we can pull out a 2x. Standing over here, we see we can pull out a 3. Standing up here, I can see I can pull out an x. And standing up here, I can see I can pull out a 5. So the factors are 2x plus 3 and x plus 5. And I'd FOIL it just to make sure. 2x squared, 10x, 3x, 15. So we're good. 6, same thing. But now we have negative 30x squared. So what multiplies to negative 30 and adds to negative 7? Well, that's negative 10 and positive 3. Right? I know they need to be different signs. So I'm going to put in negative 10x, positive 3x. I'm going to stand right here, pull out a 2x. Stand right here, pull out a 3. Stand up here, I can see I can pull out an x. And up here, I can see that I can pull out a 5, but because the closest thing is negative to where I'm standing, I'm going to pull out a negative 5. So the factors are 2x plus 3 and x minus 5. And we can go back and check it. 2x squared, negative 10, and 3 gives us negative 7. So everything's good. For number 7, same thing. 3x squared, 3. The product is 9x squared. And I can think of that as 9x and 1x will give me the 10x. 9x, 1x. Stand right here, pull out a 3x. Stand right here, pull out a 1. Stand up here, pull out an x. Stand up here, pull out a 3. So we have 3x plus 1 and x plus 3 as our factors. And finally, 3x squared, 3. We have 9x squared, but we need to have two things that add up to negative 10. So let me take two negative factors. Negative 9x and negative 1x are going to work. Negative 9x, negative 1x. If I stand over here, that's 3x. If I stand over here, that's negative 1 because the closest thing is negative. Stand up here and look down, I can pull out an x. Stand up here and look down, I'm going to pull out a 3, but a negative 3 because the closest thing is negative. So this becomes 3x minus 1 and x minus 3.